Hi everybody, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you how you can enable fast charging in your device Samsung Z Flip 4. So if you want to enable fast charging in your device Samsung Z Flip 4, you have to follow a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you are the first one to know when I upload anything new. Now watch this complete video and you will learn how you can enable fast charging in your device.